What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. First, guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Guys, I apologize for the delay of the video, but here we go. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get Havoc OS on your A7 2018. Yes, this is the latest version. So guys, first flash the kernel, and as always guys, I will link all the files I used in this video in the description, plus a custom ROM. So you guys have to flash that before you do anything, cause you need a vendor in order to make everything work. Guys, on the topic of that, lots of people are asking me how to root the Android A7 2018 on the latest firmware. Guys, there's no need. All you have to do is install twerp. If you guys want me to create a twerp installation video, I can do that for you. But other than that, you do not need root access. As I'm installing this video, my device does not have root access. You just need twerp installed. So yeah guys, so next, after flashing the kernel, find the GSI image. So click install image and click the image you want to install. So in this case we want to install Havoc, so we click Havoc and we swipe left. So yes guys, as we're waiting for this, as I was saying about the rooting guys, you do not need to be rooted, so don't do that Odin stuff. Just install twerp and that's all you have to do. Install the custom ROM, you don't have to be rooted. Currently when I'm doing this right now, I'm flashing this, my phone is not rooted. You'll see later I will flash a Majestic file, but even after that the A7 2018 is not rooted on Android 11, because right now there seems to be a bug for Android 11 GSIs regarding the root service. Right now I know people are trying to fix it, but it will take some time guys, but other than that the entire GSI works good. And guys, I think without root is even better because it makes everything more secure. Google Pay works, Samsung Pay works. You don't have to issue with your credit cards and debit cards. So I think even without root, the GSI is still good. So if you guys are wondering how to install twerp on the latest version, yes, I can make a video. If you guys want to see that video, please comment down below and I will release a video for you guys. And yes guys, on the topic of releasing videos, I plan to release a video for every single day for 7 days, just to boost up the channel a little bit. So starting today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, day after that, I will release every single day. So guys, after install the latest Majestic version, also linked down in the description below guys. So guys, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit that like button, the share, and if you guys are not subscribed already, I don't know what you guys are thinking. Guys, please subscribe. We need as much as subscribers as possible. I really want to hit that 500 subscriber mark. Hit that subscribe button. So yeah guys, after you have installed Majestic, and this time I have no idea what I was doing in this video guys. I was probably doing something else on my laptop. Just wait for it. I am terribly sorry for this guys. Sorry for the wait. I have no idea what I was doing. Come on. Come on. Oh, bang. Okay, I'm back. Oh my god, guys, I apologize for that. But after doing that, click wipe, advanced wipe. Select everything except internal and system and wipe everything. Reboot system and do not install. And your phone should load into Havoc OS if you follow the steps correctly. And guys, as you know, this limited content I can create with the A7 2018, so please comment down below on what other phone you want to see content on. I'm looking into buying new phones so I can expand the channel, but guys, I need your recommendation on which phone should I buy in order to make better videos and expand my audience. Also, it doesn't have to be phones. If you guys want to see how to get like a game on the phone, Among Us mods, anything guys, it would be very helpful for me, and your feedback is very necessary to grow this channel to be successful, man. So yeah guys, as you can see, the Havoc OS boot screen is loading. It should be loaded in a few seconds now. There you have it, Havoc is loaded. So yeah guys, we're coming to the end of this video, so I hope you guys really did enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And guys, stay safe. COVID's been crazy again. To all my fans in India, in Asia, COVID cases has been rising up, so guys, stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.